So if you're planning to buy a new Tesla, you're probably looking at prices and potentially looking at ways to save a few dollars. And in this video, I'll be walking through a few ways I've found that you can save money buying a new Tesla. So first off, I'm going to share my own referral code, but if you have a friend or family member that has a Tesla already, you can use their referral code. And currently Tesla is offering $1,000 off new Model S and X's and $500 off new Model 3 and Y. So if you do just want to instantly save money off of your purchase, you can use a referral code. Mine is linked down below, but like I said, if you have a friend or family member that has one, you can use theirs as well. Tip number 2 is browsing the existing inventory on Tesla's site. So you can look on their website. They have some discounts already out there just because demand for vehicles has gone down a little bit. They are discounting some vehicles they have in inventory already. Sometimes you can find the exact spec you're looking for, but if you are willing to change a little bit on either color or just some small options, you're likely able to find one that's very close to the vehicle you are looking for. Another added bonus here is you might not always have to pay for the destination fees, and you'll likely be able to get a vehicle sooner than custom ordering from the factory. Tip number 3 may be a little controversial, but in my opinion, you should skip full self-driving altogether. It's just gotten to be too expensive of an option. I know that is what makes Tesla Tesla. However, a lot of the features they're touting in full self-driving right now just aren't worth the sticker price that Tesla is charging. As of recording this video, this is a $12,000 option, and in my opinion, if you're going to spend that much upgrading your car, it's probably better to go with a performance or move up to dual motor or add something physically to your car rather than software. The advantage here is that you can always add this later. Yes, prices may go up, but we've seen recently that prices have just continued to go up without actually adding a lot of usable features. But obviously this is your own decision. I've made a whole video breaking down my thoughts on whether you should buy this or not. But in my personal opinion, for most drivers, it just isn't worth the sticker price. Number 4 is the federal tax credit. So this was recently reinstated for Tesla vehicles if they meet certain requirements, and I would look into your own tax situation to see if you meet the requirements. But in general, if you earn over $70,000 a year, odds are you owe around $7,500 in taxes or pay those throughout the year. So it's likely that you'll be able to take full advantage of the tax credit. So this isn't a price off the purchase of the vehicle. This does come back to you as a tax credit with your tax return. So look into your tax situation, talk to your tax professional, and see if this works for you, but it is a way to save money on the price of the car. I'll link the government's website down below if you do want to research this a bit more and see what tax credits you can take advantage of. And tip number 5 here is just stay in contact with your local showroom. I would at least tell them that you're interested in purchasing a vehicle. If you are willing to wait a little bit and be flexible on the specific vehicle you want, sometimes you can get a demo vehicle or a vehicle that's been sitting a bit longer with some additional discounts from your local showroom. So here your mileage may vary. It's going to kind of depend on your showroom and your situation, but I have seen in the past that people are able to get a pretty good discount on vehicles that Tesla has at their showroom that maybe aren't even on that inventory list I mentioned earlier. And one more bonus tip, if you are willing to travel and go pick up your vehicle in another state or another city compared to the showroom that may be closest to you, you may be able to save a little bit on the destination fee. So there is a destination fee listed on Tesla's inventory site. If you are willing to travel to a different city, you are able to get rid of this destination fee. So you actually travel to pick up the vehicle versus Tesla shipping it closer to you. So one bonus tip there for you, but that will do it for this video. If you have any other tips, if you've bought a Tesla vehicle recently, definitely let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.